Hi, my name is Sam Chowdhury. I'm a real estate broker in the state of Texas. Wanted to talk to you about another strategy for during the multiple offer situation. How can you make your offer stand out or you end up winning the bid? Is you're going to come across something called an appraisal contingency that the property, whatever the offer amount is going to be, is the property have to appraise for that value for the sales contract price. If not, whatever the difference is going to be, you have to bring that money out of pocket. During the multiple offer situation, people are offering $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $100,000 above the list price, and they're willing to bring that money. But if you have limited amount of funds, what you can do at that time is reduce your price point. So if you can afford to be at 300,000, hey, just go down to 280. So you will have that cushion of $20,000 that if it does go into the multiple offer situation, you have the funds to pursue that market. This is the market of the moment. Is it going to last forever and ever like this? No, but for